What are you in, Azja?
Oh, the corn looks great. Look at the corn.
Ooh.
You see it? Yummy.
Yum.
Okay, why did you decide to go that way, Alexandra?
Wait, why did you say it's good, Azja? You're not allowed to run.
Why not this way?
No, this way.
Oh, it's a do loop.
I know, but the other one over there is another path.
No, up here.
We're going this way.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna lose you.
No, just stay this way.
I am this way, but you're going faster.
How about that way?
That's the edge of that.
Wait, what about this one?
No, that was the where those other people are coming up.
Oh, really, you think?
You can see where the shadow is,
Text
Victoria.
Halloween
Victoria, you can see where your
to
shadow is.
91011.
Why?
Okay, if your shadow's behind you, turn around. That's toward the ticket booth.
What's toward this? This is toward
Your
the
shadow is toward the ticket booth. Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, Mom. Oh, sorry. Corn. Corn. Everywhere.
Are you lost?
It's as high as an elephant's eye. Oh, someone's eating some corn. Dead end. Hiding. No running.
She's stuck on the fence.
Right or left? That looks like dead end. Let's go this way. Aha.
We're putting Victoria in charge.
What? Wait. Bye. Alexandra looks weird with her sweater on her butt.
Someone crashes.
I'm doing the same thing, so it's okay. Dead end. Oh, mud. How are you going this way? Da 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 da. Yeah, we just went backwards. Go left.
Alexandra's in charge.
Left.
Nice day. Imagine doing this in the rain.
That'd be fun.
That'd be fun. And actually able to see where we're
How about in
going.
the dark?
Oh, that would be even scarier. We should do it tonight. I wonder if it's still open tonight. Whoa, corn. Almost fell into
It's
some
dark
corn.
at 8.
Okay, here's a hay maze. Straw bale maze.
We're still the right height.
I know.
Good for adults.
Okay, here we go. This is what you said.
It's so cool.
It's scary down there.
Can you actually see? Oh, let's go. Oh.
Hi.
I hope nothing pops out at us.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa! What?
Window here.
You want to go through that way?
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can go through that doorway. There's a doorway. Whoa! Let's go this way. Awesome! Wicked.
This is the way that looks kind of scary. Let's go here.
Let's get lost. Now this is a hay maze. Oh no! Oh no! We're the wrong way. I know. I think we can see. Oh no! Dead end. Yeah, we could look ahead. See that there's a dead end. Oh, just climbing all over it. Nice method, guys. Works. I'm gonna scare them. I'm getting kind of dizzy. I feel like a horse going really fast.
Ah!
No! Oh my god, I was totally following you. No, we have to go way back there. Oh, they're good at cheating.
No, we didn't go there.
Yeah, we do. We have to go all the way around to get out. We're sorry.
Oh, sorry.
This is really easy, and yet we just got lost. Oh no. No, No, Zara, let's go out this way. Okay. Did we go this way? No, we didn't. That's not a path, is it? Ha ha!
You gonna go that way?
Tunnel. Let's go through the tunnel. Should probably wait for them. Go for it.
Maxine's going to.
Oh no!
Oh. You coming back?
Oh, we should just go. Yay! Go, go, go!
Teeny.
Ow! We still fit! Oh yeah! Of course. Wanna go through there? It's not one of that. Take my hair out.
Where are we supposed to be heading?
We're supposed to end right here. This is the end. Yay!
We got it.
Made it!
Oh, it's not supposed to be this way, it's supposed to be this way. Okay. Louder.
And I stop and think some more. I could while away the hours, a victor with the flowers.
Now I swear I think and I could be another